Okay, so what you want to do is go to the PanaBios website. It takes a really long time to load up. Take 1 second here. There it is. So go ahead and log in. Don't try to use the app. The app doesn't work. It's not available in the App Store. There's a link there, but it doesn't work. And the website takes a long time to load into your account. It's really, really slow. So we'll just wait here a second. Okay, there we go. Now, if you use the Trusted Lab on the left-hand side, you just want to go to Check-in. So click on that, and then click on Check-in. Now, you're going to want to choose your country of departure, which is going to be Ghana. So we'll select that. And then we'll go over to South Africa. And we'll select that. And then we'll go next. And then after that, your certificate should automatically be uploaded by the lab you used. And you can also select it from this drop-down menu. So we'll just select it from the drop-down menu and click next. Whoops. Okay. Then I'll just click on my old one. It's not valid, but we'll use it. And so then you're going to stick in your airline, South African, your seat number. I don't know your seat number, so I'm just going to fill in information here. Flight number, I don't know your flight number, so I'm just going to fill in something. And then passport number, I'm just going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then click save, and then it's going to give you a QR code. You're going to want to download that and print it or screenshot it on your phone just to have it. Nobody's going to check this as far as I know, but it's good to have it. So like I have mine here that it just gave me, and it just signifies that I've been tested. That's it.